Okay, BCD subtraction using ones complement method. We know that what is a BCD number and how we will perform the BCD subtraction using tens complement and the nines complement. We already studied. Okay, so next we can study the BCD subtraction using or BCD subtraction by ones complement method. Before that, what is ones complement of a number? What do you mean by ones complement of a number? What is ones complement? Anybody? What is ones complement of a number? Then only we can perform the BCD subtraction using ones complement. So what is ones complement? Anybody? Albin, what is ones complement of a number? Albin.
0 to 1 and 1 to 0.
We need to change 0 to 1 and 1. That is in the case of one binary number. Okay. But in case of decimal, suppose if you want to perform nines complement and a tens complement, then there is another method. So generally we can say that for finding ones complement of a number, you need to subtract that from number from what? Okay, you need to subtract that number from 1. That is ones complement of a number. Okay, so this is BCD subtraction using ones complement method. നിവേദിത അത് മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുക. Okay. So these are the procedure for performing ones complement of a number. First, we need to find the ones complement of the subtrahend. Okay, so that is the first step. We need to find the ones complement of the subtrahend. Then after finding the ones complement, then the complemented subtrahend is added together, added to the other number from which the subtraction is to be done. Okay, so we will call that is adder 1. Okay, actually in ones complement in the subtraction method, we will perform it in two step. One by using adder 1, the next it is adder 2. Just to remember this point. Okay, two-step process. So first we have to find the ones complement of the subtrahend. Okay, then we need to add the ones complement number with the first number. Okay, then after the addition operation, now the BCD subtraction, there is a term EAC, that means end around carry. Okay, after the addition operation, if there is an end around carry occur, then that is EAC is equal to 1, then the result of the subtraction is a positive number. Okay, so after first you need to find the complement of the subtrahend, then you need to add the that complement with the first number. Then after the addition operation, if there is an end around carry occur, then the result is a positive number. Okay, if there is no end around carry, then the result is a negative number. Okay, then after the addition, you need to perform the next operations. Okay, it is based on the value of end around carry. Okay, so this is the table. You can see here there is a table. Okay, so after addition, if there is an end around carry occur, then we already studied that it is a positive number. Okay, so that is EAC is equal to 1. It is a positive number. In that case, you need to perform one more operation. That is, you need to find the individual group. Okay, if the individual group is generating a carry, then transfer real result of adder 1 and add 0, 0, 0 in adder 2. Okay, then ഇത് കണ്ടിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പിന്നെ ഇത് ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് അല്ല, ഇത് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. ഓക്കെ, ഈ പോയിന്റ്സ് ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചാൽ മതി. ദെൻ ഇഫ് in individual group there is no carry generated, then transfer the result of adder 1 and add 1 0 1 0 in the adder 2. 1 0 1 0 in the adder 2. Okay, if there is no end around carry occur, then we already studied that it is a negative number. So, in that case, what we have to do? If there is no end around carry, then what we have to do means transfer 1's complement of result of adder 1 and add 1 0 1 0 in adder 2. Okay. Then for individual group, if there is no carry is generated, then transfer 1's complement of the result of adder 1 and add 0 0 0 0 to adder 2. Okay. നമുക്ക് ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാവും ഇതെന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ഓർത്ത് വെക്കുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് വി നീഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ്, then we need to add these two numbers, then check if there is a carry or end around carry is there. Based on the end around carry, we need to perform these operations. Okay, now we can see an example. Okay, so first this is a number that is 983 minus 748. We need to perform the subtraction operation. 983 minus 748. So, as per the rule, what we have to do? We need to find the 1's complement of the subtraction. Before that, we had to convert this number into corresponding binary number. Okay, so what is the equivalent number of 983 in BCD code? What is the equivalent number of 9 in BCD? 9 in BCD. Isha. Equivalent BCD code for 9. Isha Sudhir. Isha. Isha, are you present? Isha present ആണോ? Then
yes sir.
Okay, then tell me the equivalent BCD code for 9.
1001
1001. Then for 8
1000
1000. Then for 3
0011
0011. So this is the equivalent BCD code for what? This one 983. Then we need to find the BCD code for 748. Okay, then only we can find the 1's complement of that number. So what is the equivalent number of 7? Isha, you continue. 7
0111
0111. Then
0100
0100. Then
1000
1000. Okay, so that is the equivalent for 748. So in the first step, we have studied that we need to find the 1's complement of that subtraction. Okay, so tell me the equivalent 1's complement number. So for 011, what is the 1's complement? 011. Punya. 1's complement 011.
1
1
0 0 0
Understand. 1 0 0 0.
0.
Okay, then
1
next
1 0 1 1
1 0
1 1
1 0 1 1. Then
0 1
0 1
1 1.
1 1. So that is equivalent one's complement. So you need to add these two numbers. Okay, you need to add these two numbers. So add these two numbers. Then 1 plus 1, Sarang. 1 plus 1, Sarang. Sarang. What is 1 plus 1?
0 with the carry 1.
Okay, 0 with the carry 1. We can write it. 0 with the carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1.
1
1. 1.
carry 1.
Okay, then 1 plus 1.
0 with the carry 1.
0 with the carry 1. Okay, so it is 1. Okay, then here 0 plus 1, it is
1
1. 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1?
0 with the carry 1.
0. Okay, 0 with the carry 1. You keep the carry in separate box. Okay, then 1 plus 0, it is 1. Then 0. Then here also 0. 1 plus 1, it is 0 with the carry 1. Okay, 0 with the carry. Okay, so these are the things. 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 with the carry, 1 0 0 0 with the carry. Okay, so in this there is two carries are generated. Okay, so this is the end around carry. So before that, one more carry generated in this step. Okay, so what you have to do is you will just add the end around carry in the first location here. Okay, that means 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1. Then here there is no carry generator, so here it is a carry, so just add it in the next one. That means here 1 0 0 0. Okay, then after that what will be the result? Here it is 1, here it is also 1, this is 0 1. Okay, then here it is 1 1 0 0. Then this one ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 1 plus 1, it is 0 with a carry 1, then 0 0. So this is the result. Okay, that is this one. 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the result after performing the first addition operation. Okay, then what we have to do is we just copy this number into second addition. Okay, that is what here it is saying. Now BCD subtraction is there, then if there is an end around carry here after performing addition operation, here addition operation, what happened? There is a carry generated, end around carry generate ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. So we can see that the given result is a positive number. Okay, given result is a positive number. Okay, so in that case This is the procedure that we have to perform. Okay, EAC is equal to 1 means we need to find the carry of individual group. Okay, then അതിൽ 1 generate ചെയ്യുന്ന carry ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we need, what we have to do, we need to add it with the 0 0 0, and if there is a group അതിൽ carry ഒന്നും ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ 0 ആണ് എങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, we need to add it with 1 0 1 0. അതാണ് പ്രൊസീജിയർ. ഈ പോയിന്റ് ഓർക്കുക, അതായത് ഒരു എൻഡ് അറൗണ്ട് കയറി വന്ന സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ റിസൾട്ട് ഈസ് എ പോസിറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ. Okay, in that case we need to find the carry of individual group. Okay, here if there is a carry is generated in the individual group addition, then you need to add a 0 in that group. Okay, if there is no carry generated, that means 0, then you need to add a 1 0 1 0 in that group. Okay, here we can see that first group there is no carry. Okay, the first group there is no carry, but in the second group addition there is a carry generated, and also in the third group addition there is a carry generated. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ carry generate ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല, സെക്കൻഡ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും തേർഡ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും carry generate ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് പ്രകാരം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, here EAC is 1, end around carry is generated, ഇവിടെ end around carry generate ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു കോളം നോക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ 1 വരുന്നത് 0 വെച്ച് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക, 0 വരുന്നത് 1 0 1 0 വെച്ചിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, here there is a carry, here also there is a carry. So what we have to do is you have to add 0 0 0 0 in the first group. Okay, first group 0 0 0 add ചെയ്യുക. Then next group also there is a carry. Okay, so you need to add 0 0 0 0. Okay, in the last group there is no carry. Here last group in the year group in the additional carry on the tail. So you need to add what, 1 0 1 0. Okay, you need to add 1 0 1 0. Okay, then perform the addition operation again. Then you need to perform the addition operation. Okay, here it is 1 1 plus 1, it is 0 with the carry 1, so 0 0 plus 1, it is 1. Then 1 plus 1, it is 0 with the carry 1. Okay, so in the second addition, if any carry is generated from any group, you just discard this carry. Okay, you just discard the carry. Individual group add ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് സെക്കൻഡ് അഡീഷനിൽ carry generate ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് just discard ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Okay, then next 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. Okay, here also 0 1 0 0. Okay, that means this is the final result we got, that is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, here there is a carry, so this is in the second addition, so we need to discard that. Okay, just to discard that carry. Okay, so you can discard, then you can write this number, that is 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the final result we got after performing the ones complement the subtraction. Okay, here it is 0 0 1 0. What is the equivalent decimal number in 0 0 1 0? What is the equivalent decimal number? Akarsh, what is the equivalent decimal number for 0 0 1 0? 2. Then 0 0 1 1
3.
3. Then 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1
5.
5. So this is the result. Okay, that is 983 minus 748 means 235. Okay, so this is the result. So this is how we will perform the ones complement subtraction. Okay, so what is the procedure? First we need to find the ones complement of the subtrahend. Okay, first we need to find the ones complement of the subtrahend, that is this one. Okay, then add these two numbers. After addition, you need to verify that if there is an end around carry. If there is an end around carry, okay, then it is a positive number. The result is a positive number. Then what you have to do, just add this carry here and end around carry in the first bit. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ add ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? അതിൽ ഈ carry ഇവിടെ ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ ബിറ്റിൽ വരുന്ന carry ഇവിടെ add ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക, എൻഡിൽ വരുന്ന carry ഇവിടെ add ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. Then result അവിടെ generate ചെയ്തു. റിസൾട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റിലോട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ചെയ്യും. ദെൻ എൻഡ് അറൗണ്ട് കയറി വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? നമ്മൾ ഓരോ ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ കയറി ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ കയറി ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ കയറി ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു നീഡ് ടു ആഡ് 0 ടു ദാറ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ്, ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് ദർ ഈസ് നോ കയറി ജനറേറ്റഡ് യു നീഡ് ടു ആഡ് 1010 ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ again you need to perform the addition operation. Then while addition operation, if there is any carry generated in the individual group, you just discard that carry and you will get the final result. Okay, after addition you will get the final result, discarding the individual carry generated by each addition. Okay, so this is how we will perform what ones complement the subtraction. നമുക്ക് ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ കൂടെ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. സപ്പോസ് this is the number 429 minus 746. Okay, how we will perform the subtraction operation? First we need to find the BCD code for 429. So what is the BCD code for 429? Akhila, BCD code for 4.
0011.
BCD code for 4.
0100.
0100. Then 2.
0010.
0010. Then 9.
1001.
1001. Okay, so that is BCD code for 421. Then next you need to find നമുക്ക് ഇത് ചെറുതാക്കാം നമ്പർ കുറച്ച് 4 തന്നെ ആക്കാം, 476 ആക്കാം. Okay, next we need to find the BCD code for 476. അത് പറഞ്ഞേ അഖില, BCD code for 476. BCD code for 4 എത്രയാ? സെയിം എത്രയായിരുന്നു?
0100.
100. Then 7.
0111.
1. Then 6.
0110.
0110. Then you need to find the ones complement of this number. Okay, then what is the ones complement of that number? First പറയൂ, ഇതിന്റെ ones complement എത്രയാണ്?
1
1
0
0
1
1 0
1 1
1 1 and
1
1
0 0
0 0 0. Then next
1 0 0 1.
okay, 1 0 0, 1. So this is the BCD code. One's complement corresponding to that BCD. So what do you have to do? Add these two numbers. You need to add these two numbers. Okay. So what will be the result? 1 plus 1, it is 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. Then 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 1, it is 0 with a carry 1. Okay, make a group. This is 1. Okay, 0 with a carry 1. Okay, then 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1. Okay. Then 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Sorry, എവിടെയോ തെറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ നമ്മളെ. This is 1. Okay. So 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1. Okay. So this is the addition operation. So after addition, we can see that there is no end around carry. Here there is no end around carry. That means in our algorithm, it is saying that if end around carry is equal to 0, then our result is negative number. Okay, our result is a negative number. Then in that case, what we have to do? So this is the procedure. Here you can see. If the result is negative, in that case, we need to find the individual group. Okay. If there is any carry generated in the individual group addition, then you need to transfer the ones complement of the adder 1. Okay. So you need to transfer the ones complement of the adder 1 and add 1 0 0. 1 0 1 0 to that bit. Okay. Here if it is 0 means you need to transfer the one that into that one's complement number. Okay, അതായത് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ റിസൾട്ടിനെ we need to make it into one's complement of the number എന്നിട്ട് you need to add 0 0 0 0. Okay. ഇവിടെ എൻഡ് അറൗണ്ട് കയറി വന്നിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ റിസൾട്ടിനെ again we need to convert it into one's complement. Okay, you need to convert it into one's complement. Then individual ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ കയറി ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കുക. ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ കയറി വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? You need to add 1 0 1 0. Okay, if there is no carry, then you need to add 0 0 0 0. Okay, ഇനി നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. Here there is no carry generated. Okay, so you need to transfer the ഈ റിസൾട്ടിന്റെ വൺസ് കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ വൺസ് കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ് നമ്പർ ഫോർ 1 1 1 1? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 0 0 0 0. Okay, so before that here there is a carry generated. Okay, ഇവിടെ നമുക്കൊരു carry ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അത് നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? There is a carry generated here, so you need to add that carry to the result. ഈ carry നെ ഇവിടെ add ചെയ്യണം. Okay, here there is a carry generated, so then after that this will be the result. That is 1 1 1 1, then 1 0 1 1, then 0 0 1 0. Okay, that is ഇവിടെ 0 തന്നെ, 1 ഇവിടെ തന്നെ 0 0. ഈ carry നമ്മൾ ഇവിടേക്ക് വെച്ചു. 0 plus 1, it is 1, then 1 0 1, then 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the final result. Here in this final result there is no carry generated, so we need to transfer this intermediate result into corresponding ones complement form. Okay, we need to convert this into corresponding ones complement form. So what is the corresponding ones complement form? Here, for 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, then for 1 it is 0, for 0 it is 1, then 0, 0. Okay, then 0, 0, 1, 0 means you can write 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so after converting that into ones complement form, we need to check if there is any carry generated. Yes, here there is a carry generated. Okay, in this group of addition, there is a carry generated. Okay, in that case, what we have to do? As per the algorithm, if there is a carry generated in the individual group, you need to add 1010 to that group. Okay, you need to add 1010 to that group, and if there is no carry generated, then you need to add 0000 to that group. Okay, so here the first ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ carry generate ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ആ ഗ്രൂപ്പിന് 1010 add ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കണം. Remaining groups there is no carry generated, so you have to add 00000000. Then again perform the same addition operation. Okay, you have to perform the same addition operation. 1 plus 0 it is 1, then 0 plus 1 it is 1, then here also 1 plus 0 it is 1, here 1 plus 1 it is 0 with a carry 1. Okay, so in the second addition, if there is any carry generated, you just discard that carry. Okay, the second addition, if there is any carry generated, you just discard the carry. Okay, then here in the next group, 0 plus 0 it is 0, 0 plus 0 it is 0, 1 plus 0 it is 1, then 0 plus 0 it is 0. Then this is 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0. That means our result is this one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then we carry നമ്മൾ ഒഴിവാക്കി. അതുകൊണ്ട് 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so this is the final result. Okay, then you can write the corresponding decimal number, decimal equivalent. Okay, so this is 0. What is 0100? Anjita, what is 0100? What is the corresponding decimal value? What?
4.
4. Okay, then 0111.
7.
Sir. Okay, here there is no carry generated, so we can say that it is a negative number. That means result is minus 47. Okay, so this is the result. This is how we will perform ones complement subtraction of BCD number. Okay, ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് BCD നമ്പറിന്റെ ones complement subtraction ചെയ്യുക. കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ് കാണുക, അല്ലെ, സബ്ട്രാഹന്റെ കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ് കാണുക, അത് രണ്ടും ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക, എന്റെ റൗണ്ട് കയറി ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കുക. റൗണ്ട് കയറി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഒരു കോളത്തിലെ റൂൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, കയറി ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ ഈ ഒരു കോളത്തിലെ റൂൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് വീണ്ടും അഡിഷൻ ചെയ്യുക. ദെൻ വൈൽ ആഡിങ് ദ സെക്കൻഡ് അഡിഷൻ, രണ്ടാമത്തെ അഡീഷനിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കയറി ബിറ്റ് ഇൻഡിവിജ്വലി വരുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഡിസ്കാർഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ പ്രൊസീജിയർ. ഇതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം, ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അറ്റൻഡൻസ് എടുക്കാം. Abhinand,
Present.
Abhinav, Abhiram,
Present.
Agna,
Present,
Ahila,
present, sir.
Achal,
Present, sir.
Adarsh,
Present, sir.
Gokul,
Present, sir.
Akshara,
Present, sir.
Alvin,
Present, sir.
Anshida,
Present, sir.
Anuchit,
Present, sir.
Anurag,
Present, sir.
and Arunima,
Sir.
Ashbin,
Present, sir.
Ashwin,
Present, sir.
Ashwin,
Present, sir.
Ashwin, Ashwin Pavitran, Ashwil,
Present, sir.
Ashwin,
Present, sir.
Ashwadi,
Present, sir.
Atul,
Present, sir.
Deepika,
Present, sir.
Devika,
Present, sir.
Fatima,
Present, sir.
Misbah,
Present, sir.
Fatimatul Sahala,
Test, sir.
Shibilia, Suhara,
Present, sir.
Gada,
Present, sir.
Gopika,
Present, sir.
Isha,
Present, sir.
Kiran,
Present, sir.
Malavika,
Present, sir.
Nabil,
Present, sir.
Mohsina,
Present, sir.
Mohsin, Muhammad Mohsin,
Present, sir.
Fahad,
Present, sir.
Sadif,
Present, sir.
Sahel,
Present, sir.
Nandana,
Present, sir.
Neha,
Present, sir.
Niharika,
Present, sir.
Nirmal,
Present, sir.
Nivedita,
Present, sir.
Nainika,
Present, sir.
Punya,
Present, sir.
Rajat,
Present, sir.
Sahila Noora Ibrahim, Saren,
Present, sir.
Shana Sharin,
Present, sir.
Shanil,
Present, sir.
Shonin Selvaraj,
Present, sir.
Siddharth, Siddharth Sunil,
Present, sir.
Saurabh,
Present, sir.
Sriraj,
Present, sir.
Taifal,
Present, sir.
Varshanath,
Present, sir.
Vignesh,
Present, sir.
Vishrut,
Present, sir.
Pranav,
Present, sir.
Silya.
Present, sir.
ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ് കാണാം. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് പുതിയ യൂണിറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. താങ്ക് യു.
Sir.